or move too much. So these are a game changer for my workout. There are so many awesome color options, and they come with this really nice hard shell carrying case. You get so many accessories with these, your manual, obviously, and then you have your USB-C charging cable, your aircraft adapter, and your aux cord. I absolutely love the look and feel of these headphones. They are so sleek looking, so heavy duty and well made, and best of all, incredibly comfortable. The padded ear cups are so plush and they stay comfortable even for extended periods. These headphones have a ton of features but are incredibly easy to use. They auto connect with my devices after the first time connecting. They are totally adjustable on each side to fit your comfort level and your head size. My favorite feature, aside from the absolute insane comfort of these headphones, is the noise cancellation. It is out of this world. When I say I use these headphones to lock in, that is what I mean. It completely blocks out the world and helps me to focus on what I'm doing here and now. The sound is amazing, and there are so many other great features with the Picun app. I highly recommend these headphones.